Keeping your home comfortable in Fayetteville's climate, where hot, humid summers meet cool, breezy winters, starts with choosing the right replacement windows. The windows you select influence everything from indoor temperature and energy bills to noise reduction and overall home value. Whether you're updating outdated frames or planning a full home upgrade, understanding what matters most can help you make a confident, cost-effective decision. Here's a clear, customer-friendly guide to choosing the best replacement windows for year-round comfort in Fayetteville. Start with energy efficiency ratings. Energy efficiency is one of the most important factors when selecting replacement windows for a climate like Fayetteville's. Look for windows with low U factor. This measures how well a window insulates. The lower the number, the better the window keeps heat inside during colder seasons. Low solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC. This indicates how much heat from the sun the window allows into your home. Fayetteville's warm summers make a lower SHGC ideal to help reduce cooling costs. Energy Star certification. Windows with this label are rated for optimal performance in your region, ensuring you get the right balance of insulation and solar control. Choosing windows with strong energy ratings means your HVAC system won't have to work as hard, leading to more consistent indoor temperatures and lower monthly bills. Choose the right window material. The frame material plays a big role in durability, insulation, and maintenance. The most popular choices for Fayetteville homeowners include vinyl, affordable, energy efficient, and low maintenance. Vinyl frames don't rot or warp, making them excellent for Fayetteville's humidity. Fiberglass. Known for strength and top-tier insulation, fiberglass windows handle temperature swings extremely well. They cost more but last longer. Wood. Beautiful and timeless, wood windows offer superior insulation but require more upkeep. Fayetteville's humidity can be hard on untreated wood, so consider clad wood for added protection. Aluminum. Lightweight and durable but less insulating. Aluminum is best for modern designs but not ideal if maximum energy efficiency is your goal. When choosing materials, balance cost, appearance, maintenance needs, and how long you plan to stay in your home. Pick glass options that boost comfort beyond the frame. The glass package has a major impact on your comfort. Look for features like double or triple pane glass. These insulated layers help regulate temperature and reduce outdoor noise. Low E coatings. Low emissivity coatings minimize heat transfer while preserving natural light. They're essential for managing summer heat and winter warmth. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes increases insulation and boosts overall efficiency. The right glass package adds another layer of protection against Fayetteville's fluctuating temperatures. Think about your home's style and ventilation needs. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about how your home functions. Different window styles offer different benefits. Double-hung windows improve airflow and are easy to clean. Casement windows seal tightly and offer great insulation. Sliding windows maximize natural light and suit modern layouts. Picture windows provide beautiful views and excellent energy efficiency, though they don't open. Choose styles that complement your home's design while improving airflow and usability. Work with a trusted local installer. Even the best window won't perform well if it's installed incorrectly. Partnering with a reliable Fayetteville window company ensures accurate measurements, proper sealing and insulation, long-lasting performance, valid manufacturer warranties. A reputable installer will also help you choose the best window options for your home's age, layout, and energy goals. Final thoughts. Choosing the best replacement windows for year-round comfort in Fayetteville comes down to selecting energy-efficient materials, the right glass package, and a style that fits your home. With the right windows and a trusted installer, you can enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and beautiful home in every season. If you're ready to explore your options, start by comparing energy ratings and materials, and consider scheduling an in-home consultation with a local expert.